Welcome back. This is Tech for Doctors, and I'm Dr. Hemant Kumar. Often you get data which has multiple columns, and depending on who is looking at the data, you want that this should have been sorted differently. So let's say a ward has multiple patients, multiple attending doctors, and of course multiple beds. Depending on who's looking at that data, you often wish that if this was sorted by doctor or by bed number or by ward, that would be very useful. So today we are going to do this exercise in Excel. So let's get started. Data set related to multiple wards in a hospital, multiple attending physicians, bed numbers, and different patients. Now, when you look at this data like this, it's all jumbled up. It would make much more sense that if we were able to sort it the way it will be useful. Let's say to find out patients sorted by ward, and then for each doctor, where are the patients a doctor has to see. So first of all, you select your data range. Go to the sort and filter menu. Click on the drop down. Choose custom sort. When you see this dialog box, there is this checkbox which says my data has headers. What that means is that Excel wants you to confirm that the first row that you have has the headings and not the data that you want sorted. So if you click here, you will see the name of the columns. If you uncheck it, Excel won't read it and it'll show it as column A, B, C, D. But because we have headers, we will say my data has headers. And now the important part, you have to determine what is the first level you want sorted. So first level that we want sorted is by ward. So the data first gets sorted by ward and sorted from smallest to largest. Then you click on add level. Again, important, how you want it sorted. Within a ward, I want to say attending doctor. So for each doctor that comes to see patients, it should be sorted alphabetically. Interesting thing is the moment you select attending doctors, Excel realizes this is text data, not numeric, and the choice is sorting from A to Z. From the drop down, you can change from A to Z or Z to A, but let's sort it from A to Z. The third level now I want is that after I've sorted by attending doctor, I obviously want that for each doctor, data should be displayed by bed numbers. So then I will choose bed number and again from smallest to largest. You click OK and your data is sorted. So for ward number 1, 2, 3, 4, within ward number 4 you will see data is sorted for all the attending doctors in alphabetical orders. So and within that Dr. Ashu Pandey has 2 patients, one on bed number 2 and one on bed number 11. And this is how data for all the wards within a ward alphabetically by doctors and by each doctor where the patients are by increasing bed number. Now, this is one way of looking at the data. The other would be that let's say the doctors want individually to know which wards to go and where their patients are. So let's do that exercise. So we will select the data first. Go to sort and filter, custom sort, my data has headers. Now the first thing I want is attending doctor. Then I want where are the ward numbers. And now I want by bed numbers. You click OK. Now you see all the patients for Dr. Ajit Singh are there in increasing ward numbers. And within ward number 7, he also has patients sorted by increasing bed numbers. I hope you found the video useful. Please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and more important than anything else, please keep your comments and feedback coming because they're really helpful in deciding what videos should I make. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.